Did you know that gout can be triggered by the consumption of certain drinks? Gout is a type of arthritis caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals. A person experiencing a gout attack may complain of arthritis that is very painful. In addition, high uric acid also causes the following complaints or symptoms: severe joint pain or pain in several areas, including the big toe, knees, elbows, ankles, and fingers. Rash on the skin or reddening due to increased blood flow in the inflamed area. Swelling around the joint due to swelling of the joint lining tissue called synovium, or an increase in the volume of joint lubricant, synovial fluid, during inflammation. Hard lumps appear that can permanently damage the joint. The risk of gout may increase if a person eats foods high in purines. For information, purines are the result of protein metabolism that can form uric acid crystals and can accumulate in the joints of the hands and kidneys or urinary tract. Purines that cause gout are commonly found in high-protein foods, and also in some of the following beverages. 1. Alcohol. Alcoholic beverages of any kind, such as wine, sake, soju, and vodka, can trigger gout symptoms, especially in people who are prone to the disease. The more alcohol you drink, the greater the risk of a gout attack. This is because alcohol consumption can increase the amount of uric acid in the blood, which can trigger a gout attack within a day or two. 2. Soft drinks. Several studies have shown that an increased risk of gout is also triggered by the consumption of sugary soft drinks. The study showed that the consumption of 1 serving of soft drinks per day can double the risk of gout in women compared to those who only consume 1 drink per month. Studies show that sweet-flavored soft drinks are associated with an increased risk of gout. Interestingly, this study showed that diet soda intake was not associated with an increased frequency of gout attacks. 3. Beer. Beer contains a large number of purines and is the drink that most often triggers gout. A study showed that patients who consumed 340 milliliters of beer daily had a 1.5 times increased risk, compared to those who did not drink beer. Even beer that does not contain alcohol can still increase the risk of gout attacks because it is made from yeast. 4. Orange juice. Various packaged juices that contain sugar or artificial sweeteners are known to increase the risk of gout. However, juices without artificial sweeteners, such as orange juice, can also trigger gout. Some studies have shown that high fructose in fruit juices such as oranges may be associated with a higher risk of gout. Fructose is the sugar added to fizzy drinks, but it occurs naturally in citrus fruits. Therefore, overconsumption of orange juice is as risky as drinking sweetened fizzy drinks. 5. Caffeine. Studies show that caffeine can protect you from gout because caffeine has a similar chemical structure to gout medications. However, other studies have shown that excessive caffeine intake can actually trigger gout pain. People who suddenly add a portion of caffeine to their diet are at an 80% higher risk of developing gout. Given the different research results, it is recommended that you limit your consumption of caffeinated beverages. 6. Energy drinks. Energy drinks can contain caffeine and are high in sugar or artificial sweeteners. Therefore, the habitual consumption of energy drinks also increases the risk of gout, even up to 2 times.